How to check the Wi-Fi password. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to check the Wi-Fi password, first of all, what you simply need to do is you need to have a QR of that particular Wi-Fi. So I've already clicked a picture of the QR. Now all you need to do is just scroll down the status bar and then tap on the scanner option. As you tap on the scanner, you can tap on the gallery option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and as you do that, you'll be able to see the QR code that you have placed. As you put on the QR, you'll be able to see that SSID code, the password over here. Now to see the password or check the Wi-Fi password, simply launch or tap on the password that has been marked as an asterisk over here. So as you tap on it, you'll be able to see the password of the Wi-Fi over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.